Hello all, today I will cover a simple topic how to connect Azure using PowerShell. First go to the Windows PowerShell and run as an administrator. Here you can type connect-AZ account. I'm going to use this script pane instead of console pane. Just type connect-AZ account. Select the command and run. Here you can see the error like the command is not recognized. This error means there are Azure modules are missing, so we are going to install with the command install -module -name az. So as we are installing this is the first time, so we are getting this error. So just select this command and run it. So it will take some time. It will give some pop-ups as well. So just select yes. And it will give another pop-up as well. So you have to select just yes or yes to all. It will take 5 to 10 minutes to download and install the modules. Yeah, now it's installed. So now just run the same command connect-AZ account again. Just select the command and run it. Now you can see there is no error and it will redirect to the Microsoft login screen. Here you can give your username and password of the Azure account. So once you provide the credentials, you will see this screen, and just close it and return to the PowerShell. So here you can see the subscription details as well, and you can check with the command get-AZ subscription as well. So it will give your subscription details here. That's it. I'll cover more PowerShell topics in coming videos. Thank you. Please subscribe my channel.